Welcome back to Overheat, the 2026 Volvo Camper Motorhome's comfort and design. Elegant interior. Volvo is renowned for its luxurious yet understated interior design. It is anticipated that premium materials, like its natural wood, eco-friendly textiles, and opulent leather, will be used to construct this camper RV. The interior design maximizes space and comfort with plenty of lounge areas, comfortable bedrooms, and a fully working kitchenette. Ambient lighting and panoramic windows create a warm and peaceful atmosphere. Cutting-edge technology, a clever control system enables voice commands or a touchscreen to operate every feature. Satellite internet and Wi-Fi allow you to stay connected wherever you are. An advanced infotainment system with a large touchscreen, smartphone integration, and sophisticated navigation. Performance and safety, eco-friendly Powertrain. This motorhome camper is most likely going to have a hybrid or all-electric drivetrain option, given Volvo's commitment to environmental responsibility. The eye-controlled all-wheel drive system and adjustable suspension provide outstanding handling and stability under a variety of driving circumstances. Superior safety features, equipped with state-of-the-art safety features like as adaptive cruise control, automated emergency braking, lane keeping assistance, and collision avoidance systems. The sturdy and strong body construction provides complete protection for passengers. Additional features, a kitchenette with a sink, stove, refrigerator, and plenty of storage space is considered fully furnished. Bathroom, a space with a toilet, sink, and shower. Sleeping area. 2 or more people can sleep here, depending on how it is set up. Storage space, enough space to store travel gear and personal items. Off-road features, an off-road package option with high ground clearance and all-terrain tires is available for adventure on challenging terrain. Renewable energy, there will most likely be solar panels and energy-efficient appliances.